Y'all love
I'm
them.
just start getting ready.
We leaving. We about to go back.
They're in my bag.
Alright, so y'all coming back?
Yeah.
Did you tell him that I do streaming? I do broadcasters?
I told them that we were live streamers.
Tell him that we live streamers. Oh, you know.
Social media.
Yeah, social media.
Do you gotta go to the bathroom? Yes.
Alright, well, y'all go ahead and do what y'all gotta do.
Y'all are so mean. I read the
Why did they call y'all the Kardashians?
They
gonna call y'all the Kardashians.
so mean.
Yo. That's a compliment though. Shit, I was called.
Oh yeah, y'all want to see the first one?
A pizza place that was literally right there.
Maybe we could just get some pizza.
I know, and then just share with everyone.
Should we get some pizza, y'all?
What do you think?
Do you think the pizza in Mexico would be good?
It's good. Yeah, I know. I'm like,
Yeah.
It's just it's something that we're gonna be really drunk, so we should.
No, they was fighting the birthday girl, y'all. They was trying to beat up the birthday girl. It was actually stupid. I'm like, if that was my friends and they were trying to beat me up on my birthday, I would go home. And now they all kikiing and friends today.
To me, it's fake. Sending fucking pictures in our chat. Do you just want Little Caesars?
I'm talking about, can y'all hear me? So the girls that want to come to the section with us tonight is Angel. I like Angel.
Just Angel. Angel can come.
But the girls downstairs don't want to go out. They just want to go to sleep. They said they're tired. I would have been mad as fuck. Yeah.
All right, then bye. Angel can come with us. We like her.
Angel and the other girl. She said she don't.
The girl with the older girl.
The bigger one.
With that was sitting in the front of the van. No.
It's the bigger one.
Was she out with us last night?
She was.
Y'all keep talking about
the one that tried to fight Lay.
Yeah, but I think they.
But they're cool now.
I don't fucking know. She said she don't want to stay in the house. She wanted to come out because they all, I guess, is staying downstairs. But they said did y'all see the cake? No, you seen it.
I didn't see the cake.
It's so nice.
It's so nice.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm ordering us food. I'm ordering us pizza.
Not we hiding upstairs. I don't think we've even been downstairs once since
we're pre-game. I don't give a fuck. We're pre-gaming in our fucking.
They don't leave till Sunday.
Yeah, they don't leave till Sunday. But we're pre-gaming. I don't care. We're pre-gaming down there. And we're listening to music and having fun.
Yeah.
And playing that tonight before we go to Cocabonga with the fucking drivers, man. We're gonna play that do or drink game.
$2.
$2 is not.
I said I only like cheese.
Oh, just cheese. Okay,
I don't
so
do pepperoni.
We'll do a cheese and we'll do a pepperoni.
All right, cool. I know. Look,
there's like a combo or something.
You sent me. So you sent all the ones.
One super cheese and one grande. I don't fucking know what that means.
That's large.
I know. Well, yeah, grande. Okay, we get to one super cheese and one of our choice. Okay, we'll do ultimate supreme.
What's the ultimate
Hawaiian or 3 meat?
Y'all eat Hawaiian pizza?
I love Hawaiian pizza.
I can't.
He only like cheese.
We'll just do the cheese.
Cheese or ground beef? Y'all know what ground beef is?
I feel like ground beef here would be nasty.
Cheese or ground beef. That's the only thing I do.
Super cheese.
I love pineapple on my pizza and banana peppers. So it's sweet and spicy.
We're going to get the pepperoni.
It is good.
Somebody just said, hey, bro, can you... He said, can we open the door for him? I can get you.
I love Emmanuel.
Me fucking too.
He is so funny. Y'all, white girl for you. What the hell? It's sweet and spicy. That's a good little combo.
Wait, what? What's the problem?
I said pineapple and banana peppers on pizza. I don't think that's a white girl thing. This is good.
Should we also get the bread with
Pineapple
the cheese inside of it?
He got that last night. He said that shit was nasty.
Yeah, let's just go with the pizzas. And then my eyeballs in the frame. Okay, view cart. We got 1 cheese, 1 pepperoni, and I got us 2 ranch and 1 buffalo ranch.
There's no garlic sauce.
They don't got the garlic sauce. I'm sad. I know.
I hate ranch.
Okay, do you want instead?
I mean,
do you
get
want
it. He might like
cheesy jalapeno sauce instead? I'll get that too. I'll give it.
Yeah, the cheesy
jalapeno. Okay,
that could be fire. Oh my god, yo.
Alright, it's gonna be here in like 45 minutes. Maybe faster because they fucking drive so crazy here. Jeez. Alright.
Y'all is so mean. We smoke vapes, sadly. Such a disgusting thing to do, but we do smoke vapes, so that's why her voice. She been doing it longer than me, though. So that's why her voice is like that. They come from smoking. We don't smoke, yeah, well, cigarettes, no, but vapes. I want to get off them. It's actually terrible. Hey, nah. So that was actually you last night, nah? In the comments, because they were trying to say that you were fake. Y'all do hell no. Y'all want to know something? I never done a drug in my life. All I do is take edibles. That's it. My doctor told me I would go schizophrenic if I did any drug more than weed. So I never did it because schizophrenia runs my family and I ain't trying to go crazy. I am not trying to go crazy. Oh god. Oh shit.
I'm just gonna close this because I'm just drying my hair up here.
I ain't lying. I don't got nothing to lie about. Y'all know drugs can trigger shit like that. So you have white thing on your list? What? What you talking about? White. What? Okay. The powder. Y'all pick and choose, child, what that got to do with being white. I feel like more people do coke than y'all think. And they ain't always white. I'm going to tell y'all that. No shade. I ain't one of them either. I don't know. Maj downstairs talking to them girls. I'm in here just talking so he don't get clipped. It's Sophie. It's Sophie. Why are they still there after yesterday? Because can y'all hear me? Can y'all hear me? What the fuck just happened? I don't know what just happened. No? Oh, yes, yes. Someone said yes. Iggy Azalea. What the fuck? I'm so weak. His phone overheated. No, it said the network was lagging and then now it's saying it got poor network. Y'all, the Wi-Fi in here don't work because there's so many goddamn people on it. That's the problem. There's how many people? There's 12 people on the Wi-Fi. That's why. This shit's slow as fuck. And yes, 12. Yes, 12. Yes. Go kick them out. Oh my god. Chitty bang. What the fuck? Don't even start saying some shit like that. Y'all are crazy. Tana? Well, I'm saying 12 people, including us five. 7. And then the 5 of us. And we all upstairs. So the Wi-Fi is automatically not as good because the Wi-Fi is downstairs. Make them pay to have the Wi-Fi. Y'all know what happened to that girl out there and her friends set her up. Oh, the ones that they killed? Or the girl that they killed? Well, they live in lavish. They got listen, y'all, they got the pool, they got the kitchen. We up here being held hostages damn near in our rooms because we don't want to go downstairs. I don't think I've gone downstairs not one time. Why y'all give it to them? It was not my choice. I took pictures of Maj today, yeah, by the pool. Why are you scared? I'm not scared. I'm so weird. I like to be around people that I know and feel comfortable with. And I'm not saying that I feel uncomfortable. I just don't know them. And the way last night went and the way they was trying to fight the birthday girl. If they was trying to fight the birthday girl, what the fuck they gonna do to me? And they don't know me. Yeah, they're cool today. Shit's crazy. Shit is crazy. The poor birthday girl. I was like, damn, that's sad. Oh no, he definitely did. Last night when they was fighting. They were fighting. I came running in the room. I said, they downstairs fighting. He said, go in your room and lock the door. I said, okay. He was not trying to have me down there in the mix of that. My nosy ass. I snuck down the stairs and I was trying to watch. All I seen was Lay and Nish come towards the door. Because, I don't know, something happened. And Lay ended up trying to, like, stop them from fighting. And then she ended up getting hit by accident or something. I don't know, not hit, but, like, shoved or something. So they was walking out. And then I seen them coming. I was like, oh, shit. I'm supposed to be in my room. Let me run to my room. He downstairs talking to them. Oh, he coming. I think he coming. Who fought y'all? No one fought us. They was fighting their own friends. The birthday girl. Yeah, that's sad. Oh my god, if someone tried to fight me on my birthday, I don't know what the fuck I would do. I would get the fuck out. First of all, I'm not staying in the house with y'all no more. That would be my thing. I'm gonna go get myself a hotel. And I'm gonna stay by myself until my trip is over. The fuck? I ain't being around no girls that got animosity. On the birthday is crazy. Real crazy. Really crazy. Like, of all days. That was too much. Way too much. But they all cool. Huh? One sec. I'm gonna mute y'all for a second. Hold on. Y'all. What was y'all talking about? Was y'all talking shit? Y'all was talking shit? I know, it was lagging. Is everyone back now? Everyone's back?
Yes.
Okay. Are you gonna stay here till we go to the club? Okay.
We're going to the club?
Yeah.
Uh,
Coco Bongo.
But I need to.
Oh, well, you go change.
Dress? Okay.
Go change. What time is it? It's 8:30. That is the driver. The driver coming with us to the club. That's Emmanuel. Emmanuel. Y'all got everybody in y'all shit. Listen. We too nice or something because what the fuck? Why he need to come to the club? He actually is nice. I'm not gonna lie. He's actually so nice. He was driving us today. He's so nice.
Pizza? Okay.
What happened?
I'm gonna tell you when I get off work. Oh wait, you gotta help me which one I gotta post. Wait, what was I doing before I left? The pictures, right?
I sent you the video.
Alright, let me see.
Okay, shit. I guess we shall
I
see.
want to know what's he.
I'm gonna tell you.
For sure.
Yeah. Alright, so
Big filthy that I created.
wait, no, I gotta flip these over. Is it blurry or am I tripping?
Is it because I texted them and I didn't airdrop them? Let me try and airdrop them.
It's just one picture.
What one?
Hold up, y'all. Okay, so the first one I think should be this one. First.
Your shoe. So it's not.
You said who?
Because it was like that.
Okay.
So your shoe's not cut off.
Alright, cool. I get all those backgrounds out the way real quick. Yeah, no, we won't do that one. No.
You don't like the one I liked?
What?
I love that one.
Oh. Yeah, that's it. Right? It's just different
Oh,
because
you
I don't
flipped
like
it?
I don't like my face like that.
Are you posting a video?
Two. 3, 4, 5, 6.
Mm-hmm.
7. Is this one still
It's too
blurry?
many looking down. You don't need all them looking down.
Alright, so just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I feel like one of these ones would have been good. Or no.
Okay, then do that one.
Video afterwards. I don't like, why is the video looking like that? Like, is it not going to show my shoes and stuff? So that's cool though.
Ooh, you know why? Because I saved it like this. No, it is like that. It's already like that.
Oh, okay.
It's already big.
I low-key wanted to just get the shorts and stuff. A little bit more. No,
I wonder if that's a lyric in one of, fuck, whose song is that? That's actually hard.
21, but I ain't no edit. Ooh, that's good. But my birthday not coming. My birthday not yet. Kayla, how you feel about these pictures?
She edited them.
No, she ain't edited them yet. She said she don't think they're gonna be done in time.
She said she's not going to have time. Don't tell my them.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Just this one picture.
I like that. It's supposed. I like that one. I like that one. I don't like that one. That's cool. I like that one. Not that one. I like that one. That one. I like that one.
And that's all of them.
Did you heart them?
Yeah. They already in my favorites. They all in my favorites.
They cool.
All right, bet I'm about to post them.
All right.
All right, thank you, Kayla.
I don't get the 21 but ain't no added caption.
Cause
Am I
like
slow? What does that mean?
21.
But ain't no added?
Me. Like, I think that's more so out the country plus stunting equals niggas hating. I don't
Because
know.
of 21. 21's an addict?
21 to edit. With the actual 21 on here?
Oh, I thought they were talking about 21 Savage. I'm slow.
No. I gave y'all hoes 21 years to catch up and y'all still can't fuck with me. No. They stole that shit from Bad Baby. I mean, that little girl. Is y'all being for real? Yes, they being for real. Somebody said out the country plus stunting equals niggas hating. No. I gave y'all... Okay, somebody been texting the same thing over and over again. Thank you, Sadie. Thank you. I was about to say Stacy. Thank you. 9 plus 10, 21. What?
Okay, so look, this is... Oh, wait, do this first, and then I'm going to tell you this after. Figure out your caption. It got to be somewhat related to your birthday. Like,
something for my birthday?
Bit. Not like...
I'm working while they sleep so I can live. Wait, I'm working while they sleep so I can live how they dream. That's good.
That's actually kind of hard.
I'm working while they sleep so I can live how they dream.
That's kind of good.
I like that one.
I like that too.
I'm working while they sleep so I can live how they dream. That's good. I like that one. I like that one. I like that one. That's good. No, what the fuck?
Yeah, living. I don't know.
That's like I'm out the country. These niggas sleep while I'm out the country living like how they dream. That's like, yeah, I fuck with that one. Let me see. I'm working while they sleep, comma, so I can live how they dream. Don't feel hit. Oh boy. Because these not my 21 pictures yet. But they gonna be for y'all. Only because it's their moment. I'm gonna put 1021. Should I put the thought bubble?
Mm-hmm.
Where is the thought bubble though? I ain't see thought bubble in a while. I think all the pictures look good.
So long. What ones they said they didn't like?
Mm-hmm. I like all of them. I think I look good on all of them.
They say someone said no emojis.
Somebody said no
You're wrong.
emojis. You don't put emojis in your pictures?
I do. I was just going to look.
Outfits for your birthday.
Who?
The one who said sleep.
What?
When you say you gonna do what?
He gonna give you outfits. I didn't get to hear his story while he could have told me.
Pretty rich and thick, don't think your bitch my bros before these niggas.
No, he sent it to you, Chris. I don't have it. But he, okay, so it includes empty shows, energy, reserve seats.
Bitch, I ain't tell him about it. Alright,
Pick a winner.
kryptonite. It's like my mom. You just hype up my mom. Nigga, I been know you.
I'm so sorry that I cannot go to your birthday and I really
Right,
want
my mom.
to,
Hope that pussy
but I
tight, my
want to
mom.
leave and
You
I
love at
think
first
this
sight,
is
my
the
mom.
family that heard this shit.
Oh no, you good.
Same situation, bro.
No, you're
Y'all
good.
gonna see all of my face, and I don't want to be a party pooper. But I would have definitely been outside tonight.
Hold up, y'all. Hold up. Nobody reposts my pictures.
What do you
Like-
mean by that? Like
like
all your
influencers.
likes are just yours.
Basically, majority of influencers don't repost my shit. It only just be myself. Hold up, y'all. I'm trying to look at my stuff. Oh, Sanaya want them videos.
When this How did you get that way? How did it get this way?
Would y'all like to take a shot?
Yeah, let me get my clothes and stuff on down. Yo, would you take? Let me ask you a question. Yep.
Who's my boyfriend?
Apparently someone.
Who's my boyfriend?
Nobody.
Yeah, fix that shit, please. Respectfully.
They'll never catch me stepping over no hoe. I ain't no simp, son.
Let's see
What?
another video.
Oh, hold up. I mute myself.
Okay.